Thank you, Vashti. It's been a wonderful 3 days. Glad we were able to stick around and come to the successful conclusion of the workshop. Of course, Vashti didn't give herself a prize, but of course, she has been working tirelessly now for quite a few months with us, meeting on a weekly basis to ensure that the workshop came off successfully. And I think she did a really excellent job of facilitation. We were up at what, 6? We were on local TV this morning at, well, 5:30 to do the test, 5 o'clock, and to highlight what we're doing here on the morning show, and it's been shared on social media, just to show the level of interest that we've had. I'm very honored as well to have the Attorney General from Barbados and his counterpart from St. Vincent and the Grenadines, which added some weight, I would say, to the seriousness of the discussions that we're having, and long may this collaboration continue. All of you for coming, taking the time to travel to be here with us away from your busy schedules, and now we've built a really solid database that we can call on, and I really urge you to continue to focus, to have that regional focus in all of the national initiatives that you do. I know sometimes it's expedient to just get ahead with the project implementation, but don't forget that we're all working within the same space, and the extent to which we can harmonize and ensure that there's interoperability and agreed upon standards, we will move a lot faster and attract much more investment. So the sum is, what's the quote? The whole is greater than the sum of its parts, or something like that. You know what I mean? So of course, our sponsors, Caribbean Development Bank, Financial Services Commission, Z-Money, and the Central Bank of Barbados. Missed, you won't see Mrs. logo here because Miss stepped in at the very last minute to help us out to fill a shortfall, and I really appreciate your willingness, Mr. Bostic, on behalf of Miss, so please accept our sincere appreciation. And that's, of course, all of the persons who provided support, our AV company, AccuSounds, a really good job this week, also facilitating the smooth transition over to the internet when it was falling apart. Our photographer, and the support for Miss Andre Strawn, who's been here as well with us, providing technical support to ensure that everything runs smoothly. I hope I didn't forget anyone. If I did, I'm sorry. And the food, yes, thank whoever cooked the food. The lovely beach and all of that. So, and of course, those presenters who joined us online who are not here with us, but for those who, actually had quite a few participants online. Not sure how many are on now, but let me express sincere appreciation to you as well for joining us online. We know that all of you couldn't be here. We didn't have the capacity to host everyone, but okay, there you are. Welcome and thank you for joining us virtually. I see a lot of familiar faces there, and I understand the chat has been very active in terms of the discussions as well. So on that note, Vashti, I think I hand back over to you. Or, okay, great, thank you.